Clean your Slushy machine daily to keep it working properly and to extend the life of the unit. Here's how. First, turn off and unplug the unit. Use the tap lever to empty the bowl of any remaining liquid. Place your hand below the dispensing outlet and remove the lever pin to disconnect the tap valve, spring, and tap lever. Take off the lid. Then, remove the two front fixing knobs from the bowl by unscrewing them counterclockwise. Remove the bowl from its seat and gently pull on the spiral blades to remove them from the evaporators. Carefully pull on the spiral blade gasket and bowl gasket to remove them. Lift upward on the drip tray and pull it away from the machine to release the hooks. Wash the components in warm water, then dry. Reinsert the hooks into their holes and push them down. Once you have all the components removed, use the 3-sink method to thoroughly wash, rinse, and sanitize all parts of the machine. Then carefully clean the lid with a wet cloth, but do not submerge in water. It's also important to dust off the condenser once a month with a soft, dry brush. Make sure all washed and/or sanitized parts are completely dry before putting the unit back together. As you reassemble, it is important to remember to regularly lubricate the machine with the included lubricant or a food-safe replacement to extend the life of the machine and prevent leaking. First, install the bowl gasket and lubricate the upper part. Lubricate the cylinder around the shaft outlet. Next, lubricate both the inside and outside of the spiral blade gasket before putting it into position. Lubricate the external part of the head of the blade, then slide the bowl into place. Finally, lubricate the tap valve and slide it into position. Your machine is now clean and ready to make slushies.